When a siren comes on, it's raining.
Okay.
This is test of the emergency siren system. It's raining. This is a test. It is only a test. Come on, guys, let's go. We'll go back to the room, y'all. What are you doing in the emergency? What are you doing? Can I get to see? The siren? That was a bad whistle and they're gonna say, oh my God, because of it. I don't know how many siren because it's raining. It's raining. The siren is gonna hit us because it's raining. Early, and then they're gonna get going early. And then the kiddies are gonna say this because it's early. Early. And this is because it's early. What's the siren? The siren. The siren is the kids at the best. The kids at the best. How many siren comes out? And they say, how many siren comes out? Everyone just how many siren? Hey! How many siren it is? Can you see? The siren is is an emergency. The emergency. Kids are everyone. Kids are the kid this. The siren. The siren is the siren. The siren is the siren. The siren is siren. The siren is, look at that. Siren. This is baby siren. The words goes off. Can you see? Come on, can you see? Got a emergency. Can you see? I didn't anything. Can you see? Come on, this. Can you see? Come on, this. Because it's raining. Look, it's raining. Because it's raining. Early. It's early. Because it's grace. And the country was this, but everyone is this because it's raining. Early. This is early. It's siren. It's just a siren system. This test of the emergency. And it just is because the siren. Because the siren is and then because it's raining, it's this is how many emergency? I didn't come in to see. Can you do this? How many today? The siren is the siren. Look at that. You see? It's still raining. Look at that.